Namaste children, I am your English teacher Mrs. Nahin, presenting day 3 of 3rd lesson. In the last 2 classes, we read the adventure story of Ranbir and the Wizard of Dentistry. In today's class, we will do the comprehension and question time exercises. Learning outcomes. The activities in this session will help you to develop comprehension skills, improve creative thinking, and you will be able to apply your learning in real life context. Resources required. Keep your English Studio companion and notebook ready along with pencil and eraser. The activities we are going to do in today's class are Look Deep, Question Time, Look Beyond, Think and Ink, and one companion activity. First we have the Look Deep activity. This activity will test your understanding of the story. Answer these questions. Ranbir liked to eat all kinds of food. Yes or no? Tick your response. No, because Ranbir was a fussy eater. He did not like to eat all kinds of food. So pick one example or sentence from the text to support your response. Which sentence from the story supports your response? He disliked most fruits and vegetables and never ate them. Continuing with the same activity. Second question. What did Ranbir realize as he was talking to the wizard? Read the statements and choose the correct answer. The right answer is he was eating a lot of unhealthy food. Third question. What do you think Ranbir learned from his adventure? Briefly summarize your response here. Write in your own words what was the lesson Ranbir learned. Sample answer. Ranbir learned the importance of eating healthy food and brushing his teeth regularly. Question time. Answer these questions. Use your notebook if necessary. What kind of a boy was Ranbir? Tick the right response. Ranbir was smart yet fussy. Second question. What do you eat every day? Do you eat a lot of junk food? Who said these questions? To whom? The wizard asked Ranbir. Why did he ask this question? Explain briefly. The wizard asked Ranbir this question after looking at his teeth which were in bad shape. Next question. What code did the Wizard of Dentistry use to help Ranbir identify and eat healthy food? Describe it in your own words. The wizard used a code to explain Ranbir. What was that code? You describe in your own words. Next, fourth question. Summarize the event that turned Ranbir into a more responsible boy in about 75 to 100 words. So write the answers of these two questions in your notebook. What change did Ranbir's mother notice in him after this incident? Did Ranbir change after this incident? What was the change that his mother noticed? Ranbir's mother noticed that he started to take good care of himself by brushing his teeth regularly and eating healthy food. Look beyond. This activity will make you think creatively. Imagine a conversation between a healthy food and an unhealthy food. What would they say to each other? Draw the foods and two exchanges between them. Exchanges means two dialogues between them. I have given a sample dialogue between a healthy food and an unhealthy food. I am sure you will be able to do much better than this by coming up with some creative ideas. Next we have the Think and Ink activity. Look at these pictures of healthy and unhealthy foods. You have to circle the foods that are healthy and cross out those that are unhealthy. For example, peas are healthy Burger is unhealthy. Complete this activity and go on to do the next part of it. Continuing with the same activity, now that you have finished circling all the healthy foods, create a new recipe using some or all of the healthy foods that you have identified. Include the quantity required for each item. You can all become little master chefs. Give your dish a nice fancy name here. List out the ingredients required, all the healthy foods and their quantity. Next, write down the steps in preparation of the dish. What we do first, then next, after that, and finally the dish is ready. We love it because. Write down the reason why you love it. Is it because it is healthy and tasty? Now open your companion and do this activity. Reflect on what you eat every day. Prepare a daily meal plan. Indicate the time in the clocks by drawing the minute hand and hour hand. And list the foods that you usually eat through the day, from breakfast, snacks, lunch, again snacks and dinner. Take the help of your parents. Now answer these following questions. Which is your favorite food and why? Which is the healthiest meal that you eat? Do you eat a lot of junk or fried food? Go back to your food table and find out. If there are any junk or fried food, list those foods here. With this, we have completed the activities based on adventure story. Coming up next is the grammar concept irregular plural nouns. So wait for my next video. Until then, be healthy and happy.